So we're in lockdown, level 3.4, a little bit at 5. All our non-essential stores are still closed, meaning we can't make or go to any beauty appointments. And some of us feel annoyed, you know, we feel angry, we feel a little ugly, causing us to project our negative feelings onto random things, including a little piece of cloth that could potentially save lives.
Main reason we want you to wear a mask is to protect me from you and the particles from your respiratory system from getting into my respiratory system. So when you're out in public, please wear a mask.
So I took it upon myself, again, to try out some makeup and beauty hacks to see which ones will make us feel better. Basically, I'm gonna try these so that you don't have to, so that you know which ones work right away, which ones are gonna make you feel beautiful and look beautiful like you just walked out of a salon. So when lockdown does end and salons do open, you can say, no, thank you. I've got my beauty hacks. Let me help you help me help each other. For those of you who always wanted a very chiseled jawline, this hack is for you. She is using a contour pen. I do not have a contour pen, I'm using a bronzer palette. But this is a good learning moment for us. It shows you that you could use alternative methods. I don't know how to beauty guru. This one? Alright, as soon as it looks like you have a 5 o'clock shadow on your face, you have done it. Great. Now you have your chiseled jawline and ready for the next hack. So for the next hack, you're going to need some tissues as well as an eyeshadow palette. We're only going to do one eye because I do have 2 different eye looks that we're going to try out to give you a little bit of a variety and to see which one you prefer. Now I am legally blind, so this is going to be fun. Alright, so I don't know what I'm doing. For the next eye look, you're going to need some liquid lipstick. So I look like an idiot. So for the next hack, you're gonna need 3 things: some concealer, this thing, and mascara, and then we're gonna do our lashes. So I know some of these hacks are incredibly ridiculous, but this really works so well. Look at this. Tell me why this looks good. I'm impressed. So for the next hack, you're going to need your sister's mug as well as your favorite lipstick. Okay. Okay. Now that our face is done, we need to focus on another area. The salons have been closed for way too long. We have regrowth and it's ridiculous. But we have a way to distract people from it. A way where you don't need to commit to a color right away. For this hack, you're going to need 2 things. You're going to need a brush like this, and you're going to need your favorite lipstick. Okay. Now that this is done, we need to focus on our outfit. If you're planning on wearing a backless dress and you have something stuck on your back, don't worry, we're gonna figure it out with this next hack. You're gonna need a plate, you're gonna need a roller. I do not have a roller because it's being used to paint a wall currently. I'm gonna use a paintbrush, and then you're going to need some foundation.
No.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let's paint my back. So I'm out of breath because I painted my back with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter 190. Okay. Also, if you guys are wondering about these pants, let me show you. Check out my YouTube video where I paint my pants, and then you too can have Liar Liar Pocket on Fire pants. So the only reason I wanted to do this last hack is because glitter was involved. I could not care less if someone else wears the same clothing as I do. Well, I don't care. But I do want to play with glitter. So for this hack, you're going to need a balloon as well as some glitter. I do not have a balloon, but I have a bag. And I already put glitter in there. So we're upset. Someone else is wearing the same clothing. So I just messed up my lipstick. All right. Same clothes? I think not. Look at this. It's like a whole different outfit, a whole different shirt. Who are you? What are you wearing? Oh, please. Plain? I look like Edward Cullen died on my shirt. What's up? Here you have it. I hope this cures your lockdown blues. I hope you understand that you can make yourself feel and look beautiful with these beauty hacks, okay? We don't need salons. All we need is... I was really looking for something that rhymes with salons. I couldn't think of anything. New hair? I didn't even go to a salon, okay? Look at my makeup. It looks like a professional did it, okay? Look at these lips. All with the mug. Guys, I painted my back, guys. Look at this, new shirt. Didn't even spend a dime. Spend a dime. Wow! If you're interested in learning some real makeup techniques from a real professional makeup artist, please go follow my good friend Leney at The Makeup Wizard. Her links will be down below. She's got some real affordable makeup classes online because we're in lockdown. Also, I've known her for almost 20 years, so I think I know what I'm talking about. But her work does speak for itself. Again, her links will be all down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like this video has brought us closer together. You watched me paint my back. I mean, that must mean something. So thank you for watching me paint my back. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate how red my hands are, because it is winter in South Africa and I'm wearing a backless t-shirt. I did this for you.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. I just put on some different clothes. I'm still ugly.